Welcome back. In today's video, we're answering one of your most frequently asked questions. Can you make money on YouTube without showing your face? Yes, indeed. Today we're diving into the top 12 niches to make money on YouTube while remaining faceless. Grab your notebooks, because this is information you won't want to miss. Before we move on, do not forget to give us a thumb up. Hug the like button so we can hug you back as well. And ring the notification bell so we know when to notify you with our future precious nuggets. Do not hesitate to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's dive in. First up, voiceover, animation and whiteboard videos. This niche has shown tremendous growth, especially in the educational sphere. With 2.05 billion users logging in monthly and 7 billion views in 2022, there's a huge potential audience out there for your content. By creating engaging and simplified explanations of complex topics, you can provide value while remaining faceless. Moving on to product reviews and unboxing. Love trying out new products and sharing your opinions? This niche is perfect for you. Unboxing videos saw a 42% increase in views from 2021 to 2022, proving the increasing interest in this genre. Third on our list are tutorial and how-to guides. Do you have a skill you can teach? From coding to cooking, the possibilities are endless. According to recent trends, how-to videos are expected to exceed 130 billion views by the end of 2023. Next up, gaming and sports commentary. With 2.8 billion gamers worldwide, this niche has an enormous audience. Whether it's walkthroughs, reviews, or commentary, you can share your gaming skills and insights without showing your face. Moving on, number 5, we have stock market and crypto analysis. As the investment world becomes more accessible, there's a rising demand for financial content. Share your insights into the stock market and cryptocurrencies, helping viewers navigate the complex world of finance. At 6, we have music and audio creation. If you're musically inclined, you can use your talents to create original compositions, or even provide royalty-free music for other content creators. This is a wonderful niche to showcase your abilities without revealing your identity. Our 7th niche is fitness and yoga instructions. This might seem like a niche where you have to show your face, but that's not the case. You can effectively share workouts and yoga sequences by focusing on body movements. This niche got 97 billion views in 2022. Next, food and cooking. Do you love cooking or trying out new recipes? Share that passion with the world. Food-related videos had over 285 billion views in 2022, making it a popular and lucrative niche. Our 9th niche is travel and nature videos. Drone footage of stunning landscapes and travel guides are incredibly popular and don't require a face reveal. 10. Meditation and ASMR. This genre has a growing audience seeking relaxation and mental wellness content. By 2022, ASMR videos had collected over 13 billion views. Art and craft, our 11th on our list. Show off your artistic skills or share your crafting projects without showing your face. Art and craft videos garnered over 60 billion views on YouTube in 2022. Last but certainly not least, book reviews and audiobooks. A faceless channel dedicated to book reviews or creating audiobook content can be very successful. Book-related videos amassed 2.3 billion views on YouTube in 2022. We've covered the niches, but let's not forget the importance of SEO and keywords. Remember, keyword-rich video titles, descriptions, and tags are crucial. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, vidIQ, or TubeBuddy for keyword research. Remember, it's important to align your keywords with the content of your videos to improve your searchability on YouTube. Make sure to implement SEO strategies effectively and stay consistent with your uploads. Also, don't forget viewer interaction. Encourage likes, shares, subscriptions, and comments. Start discussions, create polls, and get your viewers involved. As for monetization, it comes in various forms: ad revenue, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, channel memberships. For ad revenue, you need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. As of 2023, the requirements are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views in the past 12 months. Congratulations to all of you that have reached these required conditions and are now monetizing their channel. And for those that aren't yet there, keep toiling, you've got this. So there you have it. the top 12 niches to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Before we wrap up, do not forget to give us a thumb up. Hug the like button so we can hug you back, and ring the notification bell. Until next time, stay blessed.